got those old girls stuck in the wall. She's heavy and I couldn't get her out, so now I've got to jackhammer her out. With the other jackhammer and keep going. Nice little pocket in there. She's still going down, so we'll keep going at it. Hopefully there's a sapphire in there. Alright lads. Down here chasing a bit of sapphire today. A couple of little boulders. Just trying to push through this wall and got the jackhammer stuck in the wall and she's on the other side and there's the pin. I'm going to try and get her out too. I'm digging sapphires. Alright. Thanks to Nanny for the new jackhammer. Digging away. And in there. There you go, sapphire. Couple of little boulders. And clay. Oh. Thought I'd have a go digging here and see what he looks like. Sapphire. Not very good, I think. At least we found one so far. Alright, got the jackhammer out. Dug a bit of dirt. A couple of boulders to get rid of. One there. One on top of it. One on the bottom. Finally got her out. Now, take a bit off that floor ground, see what's in there. Found a couple in the wall, so bit of potential.